welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I thought I would show you some things to do like the week before or a couple days before you go back to school, because sometimes going back to school can be very stressful. You don't know what to do, and then on the day you start school, you're very unprepared and you just have no idea what you're doing. You're really stressed out. So I'm here to help you, and make sure you tell me in the comments down below when you go back to school or if you have already started. But without further ado, let's get on with the video. Alright, so the first thing to do before you go back to school, or a couple days before you go back to school, is do some sort of self-care thing. Whether that's having like a spa day, or doing a face mask, or even just like taking a long shower the night before school or something like that, just to kind of not make you as stressed, enough to relax you with the stress of school just weighing on your shoulders. I'm very caffeinated, so it's gonna be a good video. The second thing to do before you go back to school is buy new clothes. Even if you already have the clothes you need, you know, just get rid of them. You can always buy more clothes. Okay, don't get rid of them if they're like nice clothes and you still like them, but get like a couple pieces of new clothes, especially if you need them. It doesn't even have to be to like the mall, but you can just go to like even Walmart. They probably have cool clothes, and just buy like a couple new shirts or something to wear back to school so you can feel super awesome and fashionable when you go back to school. Alright, and number 3 is to have a good sleeping schedule. And I would suggest like the week before school, go to bed at the time you would whenever you start school. If you go to bed at like 10 or 10:30 during the school year, or even earlier than that, go to bed at that time like a week before school starts. That way, whenever you go back to school, you aren't like having to go to bed like 2 hours earlier than you normally do in the summer, so that your body can just adjust. But also on the weekends you can sleep in, because you know those are the days you get to sleep in, and it's really nice. So the fourth thing to do before you go back to school is make sure you have enough school supplies. If you do not have enough school supplies, you're gonna be in big trouble, because when you are like packing your bag to go to school like the night before or the morning of school, you're gonna be like, I have nothing that I need. And just make sure you have a couple extras, like get extra pencils, because I know everybody loses those like the first day of school, and just like a couple of extra things so that whenever you go back to school you are fully prepared and have all the supplies you need. Alright, and the fifth thing to do before you go back to school is the night before school, pick out your outfit so that you have time to make it look perfect and fashionable, so that the morning that you go back to school, you're not just like stressing to like get a cute outfit and then you realize nothing's clean, then you have to wear just like sweatpants and like this weird t-shirt. So make sure you pick out your outfit the night before so you can make sure you have it all planned out and you don't have to stress about it. So the next thing to do the night before you go back to school is pack like as much as you can. Like pack your backpack, pack your lunch. Like I said, pick out your outfit, do as much as you can the night before so you can be fully prepared when you wake up in the morning. And our last hack is to make and bring your lunch, because school lunches are nasty. So I would just suggest bringing your own lunch and making it at home the night before, or even if your mom makes it, because you know exactly what you want. You can make whatever you want and you just bring it to school, and it's so much better than having to eat the nasty cafeteria food. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down there by hitting the big red button so you can be notified every time I post a video. And I hope this video helped you out. If you are going back to school soon, I hope it helped you to prepare for school a little better. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!